the world is actually in the most violent phase of its existence ever since World War II. The vagaries of this VUCA world are severely impacting the global defense supply chains, especially ammunition. The global arms industry presently is grappling with a kind of a gap between this widening gap between demand and supply. The reliance on imports to bridge this gap is becoming a necessity for most nations, highlighting global interdependence in defense supplies. But yet, there is a saying that in every challenge there lies an opportunity, in every cloud there is a kind of a silver lining. These disruptions have presented an opportunity for the global defense arms manufacturers, including the ammunition industry, including Indian one. And you just heard actually the CMD of MIL saying that his exports, etc., and demands have increased multifold. So most of these people in India also are becoming from importers of ammunition to exporters of ammunition as well. I'm happy to note that FICCI has been focusing on these issues for quite some time. And in fact, they started this particular Ammo India conference in 2008. So in some manner, they were quite visionary to have thought about this in 2018. And that, I think, is very, very remarkable. FICCI over the years has been an important bridge that has contributed towards synergizing the efforts of various stakeholders in defense manufacturing. I'm also particularly happy about the way FICCI has supported the concept of joint ventures with foreign OEMs and transfer of technology to boost India's Atmanirbharta drive. This is a very important concept and must be hosted at all levels. The instability in our neighborhood is another cause of concern for us. A strong armed force backed by a strong defense industrial sector is hence a sine qua non for the nation state. For a large nation like India, with plenitude of security problems, it cannot remain dependent on foreign imports for warfighting and sustenance, especially in an environment where the global security environment is in a state of flux and we have live borders at hand.